Corbitt truck. Now Henderson is the home of the Corbitt Truck Company. See right here? Corbitt trucks were built in Henderson, North Carolina. And of course they got a preservation society here. They restore a lot of these trucks. Neat little thing. If you go to Google Henderson, Google Corbitt Truck Company. And neat that they were well known for quality trucks back in the day. So here's very nice. It's a shame, yeah, down toward that end's where all the race cars were, and they're not here this year. That's a shame. There's some really old, some really cool old stuff that we used to read about when I was a kid. Here's another Corbitt truck. I don't remember this one from previous shows or the last one I just showed you. Just don't remember them. I guess I think they've got a building on the back side over by the railroad tracks that they use to restore these things and store them in. I'm not mistaken. That could be. I remember this one. I've seen this one before. It's like an old logging truck or something. Kind of comes decent in this one. I remember seeing this one before. And I remember the golf truck. That's cool. I like that. Stop and get a little closer look at this. They can't take no riders though. I guess it was used to haul a tanker. Across the street, there's some more. This one is for sale, folks. $28,000 for a 51 Corbitt. Runs good. There's the number.
Seen a Corbitt truck now. I've seen two of them in a row.
There's a bunch of them. There's a bunch of them through here.
There's one iron now.
They're all over.
I've never seen a Corbitt.
They were built right here in Henderson.
Oh, okay.
There you go, folks. Not that big of a crowd here today. Got one of them we started up over here. Let's look at the rest of these Corbitt trucks. I've never seen this one before either. Yeah, that one seems to run pretty good. (1946) Corbitt. Oh, check this one out. Look at these tires. God, man, these things gotta be old as Methuselah. That Smith on the wheel. This has got to be from the 20s. I don't see any kind of, I think they put something on it, tell you more about it. Look at how they made the radiator here. It's cast iron. All that's cast iron. Wish they had a sheet on there telling you more about it. These old lanterns, man. Look at this. Oil field lanterns. Oh, here we go, 1920. Wow, that's pretty cool right there. We got some late model. There's one Willis down there. Everything else down that way is late model stuff. And we got a Corbitt tractor. They also made tractors. Kind of looks like an Oliver. Kind of looks, it's painted like a John Deere, but kind of looks like an Oliver to me. But it says Corbitt. The tractor here was restored. It was nice. Alright, and we got a fire truck over here. Has not been restored yet. Get the rock down here. So here's an original condition, folks. Been spruced up a little. Looks like they have done some work on the seat. Purchased from the Burgess collection. And it is also a Corbitt. I don't see any, as I missed it, I don't see a sheet on it telling us what it is exactly. Pretty neat. Steering wheel's bent, look at her. Go to your local parts store and pick up let's go to O'Reilly's and pick up a steering wheel for it. What do you say? Yeah, there's a little rock down here on this frame bulkhead piece. And the water tanks, that for some reason didn't rot out. Or maybe they have rotted out. I don't think that's factory. Still, it's overall pretty much complete there. Let's hand back and get you. I think this is the display for Corbitt right here. We have a Preservation Society. All kind of photographs. The museum. T-shirts. Oh man, that is nice. Holy cow, all kind of neat stuff. You want to donate to the cause? I guess you can do it on that website, or at least get in touch with them. We got a work in progress right here. Early automobile by Corbitt, 1912. Wow. Never seen this before either. There's no telling what's stored away in these barns up here in Henderson. Henderson's kind of a rural town off the US 1 in North Carolina, just before you get to the Virginia border. And, so I'll get you a look at the back of it here. Yeah, there's no telling what's tucked away. Okay, I guess that's all the Corbitt stuff. I don't believe the Army trucks are Corbitt. What's with the crowd. Let's I'm gonna turn you off. We're gonna hit the car show section.